stay. Sit. Wait. Back. Sit. Heel. Sit. Good girl. Good. Wait. Girls. Ready? Up. Let's heel. Okay. Good. Heel. Lefty. Up. Heel. Come on. Steady. Slowly. Heel. Hurry. Gracie. Sit. Back here. Come on. Heel. Abby. Let's go. Line up. Get in. Sit. Good. Good, Lily. Up. Good. Sit. Sit. Wait. Down. Very nice. Good girl. Good girls. Excellent. Excellent. I want to see some happy tails. Where's my happy tail? Good. Good stay, girls. Good. That's great. Very nice. Good. Let's see. Okay, heel. Come on. Heel. Right here. Good girl. Come on. Come on, Abby. Katie. Back. Heel right here. Ready? Good. Line up. Heel. Sit. Good. Gracie, come on up. Sit. Good. Lily. Sit. Katie. Sit. Good. Gracie. Good girl. Good. Wait. Abby back. Sit. Good. Lefty. Good. Gracie. Back. Lexi, sit. Good, sit. Good. Gracie. Good girl. Come on, let's get in here, Gracie. Sit. Good. All right, we're going to do some retrieving today, one by one. As I call their name, I'm going to send them out to bring the dumbbell back. Katie, look at me. Wait. Katie. Good, bring it. Okay, right here. Sit. Good. Gracie, sit. Katie, heel. Good girl. Wait. Abby. Abby. Good girl. Hurry, Abby. Good girl. Right here. Good. Abby, heel. Good. Sit. Wait. Lexi. Lexi. Sit. Good. Hurry, Lexi. Good girl. Right. Sit. Nice. Lexi, heel. Sit. Lexi, sit. Good. Okay, we've got to make some room here.